Hi everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all my journey to the university that I study. I'm going to University Malaya for some personal reason. So I reached the bus station and then my friend picked up me and then this is the way to enter inside the university. I'm going to enter inside this university after a 1 year. So it's too long gap I didn't visit the university. I am going there with one of my friend. So I capture as much as I can from here. One is the library, the main library, and there is a Zeus coffee which is newly they opened. I miss this place very much because I have been worked in this place during late time, and when I'm looking at this place at this time I feel very bad where I could not enjoy again that life. After went to the university, my friend and I went to a chicken rice shop to have our lunch. After have our lunch, I went back again to the bus station and I take a bus and then back to my hometown. The bus that I was ordered, the time was at 3 p.m. but we could not manage to come at 3 p.m. so I booked again another bus at 4 p.m. and this is the bus that I took. We could not manage to catch the 3 p.m. bus because the road was very busy during that time. So we could not move the car itself also. So that's why I missed the another bus. And this is the view at the outside of the bus station. The bus station name is Terminal Bersepadu Selatan, TBS. Since I went there during weekdays, so the road was quite busy because some of the works are going to finish, schools are also open, so that's why I think the road was some busy. For me personally, I happy because I got a chance to meet again the university that I was studying. I really miss very much that university because at there I got a lot of memorable things. I learned many new things from there also. So for me personally, I love the university that I studied. As I know, most of us we love our university which we was study because it will give many memorable experience in our life. And these clips are old clips where I was walked in inside my university during late time. So this is the road at that time. We walked during before our final exam. So during that time we will face lot of stress. So that's why we walk out for release some stress. And this one on day view when we are walking to a library. And yes, again we are continuing our journey to back to my hometown. I come to KL itself also to study. So after I come to my university, only I was explore a bit about Kuala Lumpur. Before that, I didn't explore much in Kuala Lumpur. Since I took 4 p.m. bus, I haven't reached the highway yet because the road was busy. So I could not arrive the highway yet. And I didn't feel hungry because I already have a lunch with my friend. And the lunch was chicken rice and the chicken rice taste was too good. I really love the chicken rice. The chicken rice was juicy and I love it very much. And you can see how busy the road was during that time. And thank you for everyone to subscribe to this channel. You guys are continuously supporting me very much. Thank you for all your support. It means a lot to me. For me personally, I like to travel by bus because by bus I can view many things like tourist spots and more, and I can rewind back my memories also. So for me personally, I like to travel by bus by listening to music and the view. I just enjoy it. If you are also a person like me, don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends. So yes, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching this video till now, and I will meet you all in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to Rosh Favorites for more videos like this. Thank you and take care and bye.